You need to hear this if you're a fan of unsolved mysteries. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, there's a hum. Not just any hum, a low-frequency sound that only 2% of the residents can hear. It's been called the Taos hum. Some say it's like a distant diesel engine, others describe it as a constant drone. What's bizarre, scientists have tried for decades to pinpoint its source. Environmental studies, mechanical surveys, even psychic consultations, all have come up empty-handed. Theories range from secret government projects to natural phenomena, but nothing sticks. Imagine living with a noise that no one can explain, a sound that invades your peace and quiet. Some residents have even moved away, unable to bear it any longer. So what do you think? Is it a mass hallucination, or is something more sinister at play? Drop your theories in the comments. Subscribe for more mysteries.